Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to showcase an AI project that I built, an AI agent that automates web browsing tasks. So let's see how it works. This agent is built using Python for backend processing and Playwright for browser automation, OpenAI API for understanding the commands. So Flask for web UI. So now first let's start by running the AI agent on our system. Open the command prompt and navigate the project folder. Open the once server starts, you will see output like this means AI agent is running now locally on port number. Then open the browser and paste it. Here you will see the web UI, the primary interface of interacting with AI agent. The AI agent uses the OpenAI API key. So OpenAI API to process the commands to enable this, and you need to enter the API key. So go to the API section, paste it, OpenAI API key and save it. Now this step allows the AI to process the commands and automate the browsing. Now select the LLMs and model name, select the model name. Then in the run agent section there is an input box where you can enter the command. Now search for something like tech boy Deepak agent YouTube play it. So click the run agent button. Once you will click and run agent button, the AI will execute the task step by step. Open the Google in new browser window, searches for YouTube and clicks on the official site, types the given search query inside the YouTube search bar. Find the first matching video and play it. It automatically skips and adds.
సో గైస్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. అందరికీ చాలా రోజులు అవుతుంది వీడియో చేసి, మనం అందరు దీని మీదే కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారని తెలుసు. ఇది ఎందుకు కట్టుకున్నానో మీకు వీడియోలో తెలుస్తుంది. అండ్ మనం thumbnail-లో చెప్పినట్టుగా మీకు
సో దట్స్ ఇట్, అండ్ ఇట్ రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్స్ to the Google after few seconds. Beside this browsing automation agent, I have built another AI agent, customer AI agent, which I deployed on a different platform. So however it doesn't answer the all queries, but if you want to try it out, you can link is in the description box. So click that link and try it. Now in further, an voice AI agent is coming soon. In the next project I will interact with the command. I will interacting a voice commands to make an AI interactions even more seamless. This was just a quick demo of how AI agent works. So if you want a detailed step-by-step process, so how to build this AI agent from scratch, comment down below. I will make a full video on it. So So if you are excited for the next project, so hit that like button and subscribe the channel. That's it.